Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat, ako po si Isa Mendoza at ito po ang aking daily devotion ngayong araw, March 9, 2025. Ngayong araw po ay ating tutuloy ating series which is about day-age theory. So ito po ay ating isa sa mga bago nating tatalakayin para sa linggong ito. So ang topic po natin for today specifically is about magkasama ba sila Adan at mga dinosaurs. So ang ating talata po para sa araw nito ay sa Hebrews chapter 11 verse 3. Sabi po dito, by faith we understand that the universe was formed at God's command, so that what is seen is not made out of what was visible. So ngayon upang ating mas maunawaan kung ano ang ating talata para sa araw nito at upang mas maintindihan natin ang mas lubos pa ang ating devotion, ngayon po tayo pagdadako sa ating mga teaching. So ito po yung tatlo nating teachings para sa araw nito. So una po, God could have created the universe overnight. So, ibig sabihin po nito, yung Diyos po natin, He might have tatawag natin gradual process para likhain ang ating mundo, wherein it allows time for things to evolve or develop as part of His divine plan. So, ang focus po nito is on the possibility of time as a tool in creation. Ikalawa po, God could have created the universe instantly. So, alternatively, ang Diyos po natin, it could have spoken everything into existence in a single moment. So, kumbaga, lahat sa isang bulak kaya gawin. So, as described in Genesis, this emphasizes that God's tatawag natin omnipotence, so where He can create the universe in any way He chooses, instantly or over time. Katlo po, God created a literal Adam and Eve. So, itong teaching na ito, it holds that Adam and Eve were real. Kumbaga, they are historical people created by God at the beginning of humanity. So, this creation, it marks that human existence, yung start ng human existence and their story of foundation na silbing foundation para sa atin to understand humanity's relationship with God. So ngayon po, tayo pagdadako sa ating mga applications for today. So meron din po tayo tatlong applications. So una po, believe in the literal historical Adam. So, understanding Adam as a real person gives us depth to the Bible's teachings on humanity's origins and pagkakaintindi natin sa redemption. It strengthens yung biblical narrative and it connects us sa original purpose for creation ng ating Diyos. Ikalawa po, believe in the doctrine of original sin. So yung story po ni Adam and Eve, it introduces sin, original sin, yung sin na minana natin. So the belief that humanity inherited sin from the first humans. So tayong humans, meron po tayong minanang kasalanan. Ito po yung kasalanan na gawa noon. And this disobedience is yung nag-cause para hiwalay tayo sa ating Diyos. Ikatlo po, believe in the redemptive work of Christ. So because of this original sin, lahat po ng tao, they need redemption. We need redemption. So it is which is found in the person of Jesus Christ. So yung death po niya, yung kamatayan niya, and yung resurrection niya, it provides the solution to the problem of that sin, wherein it restores the possibility of eternal life with God. So na may marami po tayong natutunan sa araw na ito.